Well, hello there, folks. Welcome to week 2 overview for principles of data analysis. Okay, so last week the focus was on understanding the nature of numbers, right? So you learned to distinguish between numerical data and categorical data. This week, we extend that knowledge by showing you now how to transform these two different types of data into graphs. And so in your book, you'll be learning of a wide variety of graphs. The focus will primarily be on histograms, bar charts, pie charts, and stem and leaf plots. It'll be important for you to understand which of these types of graphs go with which type of data. So some of these graphs, for example, you would only use with numerical data, and other types of graphs you would use with categorical data. Okay, so that's going to be important. Another thing is sort of understanding, so then why will we even care to look at graphs? Well, graphs give you basically 3 pieces of information. One is that they tell you about the shape of your distribution. So you'll be learning about things like unimodal and bimodal distributions, all of that shape language. They help you to find where the center of your distribution is, right? So this will be a predecessor, if you will, to things like understanding the average, which we really don't deal with numerically until next week. But there'll be a focus on how do you visualize where the center of your distribution is. And then you'll be learning that you can use graphs to help you find something called the spread, right? So how spread apart are the numbers from the mean or even from each other, for example, okay? So that's kind of what the content is. In terms of the assignments, you'll have a discussion, okay? You might want to look at the rubric for that and make sure that you understand what that is. Once again, the rhythm of the discussions is that the first part of that's going to be due Wednesday night, and then the remainder due at the end of the week. Okay, there will be an assignment from my stat lab. Okay, and then there'll be an assignment in which you'll be working with a database that was created from the information that you provided last week. Okay, and so that information is now provided back to you. It's called This Is Us, and it literally is a collection of the information that you folks provided in your introductory post. And you're going to be working with that particular database to help hone in your expertise using StatCrunch. Okay, so you're going to be doing an activity in which you're going to be using some of that data in which to create graphs. Okay, so that's basically what we're doing this week. Once again, if any of this is not totally clear, feel free to reach out either in the question and answer discussion board, or if you'd rather contact me directly, you're welcome to do that. Okay, so I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.